Okay, so here I have 6 Meilong 3x3s. Let's just ignore the fact that the video camera is resting on a piece of cardboard which is resting on top of 240 Meilong 3x3s. But yeah, I'm going to make force cubes. And my challenge is to beat Z3 Cubing's 24 minutes I think he got. I mean, I've never done this before, but I really don't know. Maybe I can beat it. I think I should be able to. I've done similar things pretty quickly in the past. So let's just unbox them and then I guess I can start the timer and I'll time lapse it because nobody's going to watch 20 minutes or whatever of stuff like that. But I want to do it for fun. And I don't know what I'll do with them once they're force cubes, but I'll find something. Get out. Right. So there we have it. 31:44, a lot slower. I don't know how it's possible to do it much faster. I mean, obviously there are improvements that I can make, but I think sub 20 minutes is unrealistic, really. I just don't see a way of doing it. I guess it must be possible, but it just doesn't seem possible. Well, I don't know what I'll do with these, but I guess I have 6 force cubes. Don't have any stickers to put on them, so they're just going to stay as dodo cubes. Do what I want with them, and scramble them, and they're still solved. But yeah, there we go. That was a challenge. If you have any other challenges for me, please let me know. Maybe I've got some time to do some.